So guys, our one more problem solving video has been came on the channel, and in today's video we are solving 3402 question. Okay, this is one more question, 3402 question, and the question name is minimum operations to make columns strictly increasing, and this is our weekly context 430. What? This is a weekly contest 430. This is our part 2. Okay, so now our part 1 has been ended, in which we upload 3 videos. So our this part 2, in which we upload 4 videos. Okay, and this is an easy one. Okay, so I'm telling you the minimum operations to make column strictly increasing. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, this is our 3402 question, in which I am telling you the minimum operations to make column strictly increasing. So this is an easy one. So let's try to solve it, and we are solving in the Python 3. So in any language you will be solve it, but I am solving in the Python 3. So follow me, okay? And now, first of all, let's solve the easy one. So it has been giving me the answer. You are given a m, x, n matrix grid consisting of non-negative integers. Okay. Then in one operation you can increment the value of any grid square bracket I, then square bracket j by 1. Then it say return the minimum number of operations needed to make all columns of grid strictly increasing. And it has been given me the example 1, example 2, in example 3. Okay, so let's focus on the example 1. In the example 1, it gave me input grid equals to square bracket 3 2 1 3 3 4 0 1. The output had become 15, and it had been explained to make the zeroth column strictly increasing. We can apply 3 operations on grid square bracket 1 square bracket 0, 2 operation on grid square bracket 2 square bracket 0, and 6 operations on grid square bracket 3 square bracket 0. To make first column strictly increasing, we can apply 4 operations on grid square bracket 3 square bracket 1. And this one diagram it has been given me, so I understand it. So let's start to write a code. This is a sample code, it has been already written down it. So first of all, we write total ops slash 0. Then I am writing for loop. Then we will define in range, then we define len, then we define grade, and then what we can do. Okay, let's come on it here, square bracket 0, because it's a here in the example to make the zeroth column strictly increasing. Okay, so in the grid we write 0, then here we write this, and then we write here prev vl equals to -1. Then when we wrote it down for row in range, then when we write range, then we write len grade, then we write semicolon, then if statement, then grade, then row, then call, because it's say me here matrix is non-negative integers. Okay, okay. Now when we written down it, so now when we written down square bracket prev well. Then when we written down it, so we only want to do it, give the space here, right here total, then define one more time this total ops, then plus equals to prev, then well, then minus prev well minus grid row call plus 1. Perfect. Now when we define it, then we define it one more time, prev well, then plus equals to 1. Then define else one more time, because it's okay, in one operation you can increment the value of grid I and j by 1. Okay, define else, in which you define one more time prev slash underscore val equals to grid. Then let's see one more time the question. Okay, because in the input grid here it had been written, so we write here grid. Okay, then when we write in the else, when we write here grid, so now let's see the question else. preval grid, then define here row, and then define here call. Okay, then when you define it out of the function, remove it here, then here write here return total ops. And you are thinking why I'm writing here row and call, because here you can here in one operation you can increment the value of any grid square bracket I square bracket j by 1. So I write here row and call, and then let's say you are given mx and metric grid consisting of non-negative integers. Okay, then it gives the example of it. So let's see the test case. Okay, in the test case 3 2 1 3 3 4 0 1 3 2 1 2 1 0 1 2 3. Okay, this is a test case, and let's see the test result. Let's run this and let's see the test result. But first of all, we recheck our question. Okay, and this is an easy one, so let's see it. And if you want to see the hint, so you will also be see it, but I sure it will be the correct. Okay, so out of the function we run. Okay, let's run this. So let's run this. So here you can see our all case are accepted. Case 1 is accepted, and case 2. In the case 2, output will become 12 and my output has become 12. In the case 3, at 1 my output will become 15, output will be, and my output has been coming 15. Okay, and the input, my input has become 3 2 1 3 3 4 0 1, and the output will become 15 here. Okay, so like that you can do it very easily. Yes. Okay, so let's submit and let's see the answer is correct or not. So let's submit my question. So let's see the result of it. So here you can see it is accepted, and we solve it in the 404 milliseconds. Okay, 4 milliseconds, and we beat 88.36%. Okay, and this is my solution. And if you want to see my profile, so this is my profile by the name of Rayyan. So you can go and see my profile. You can view my profile. Okay, go and see it. Okay, go and see my profile. And I solve it daily basis, but I do not solve this on Sunday and Saturday, but I solve it daily, Monday till Friday. Okay, so it has been accepted and we solve it very successfully. Yes, so here you can see it. We solved this our question 3402 by the name of minimum operations to make column strictly increasing, and this is an easy one which we have solved it. So in the next video we solve the medium one, and from the next video we also solve the medium one. Then the next video we solve the hard one. So get ready for the hard one, because this is our first hard one on this channel. Okay, we are solving it in the we are solving the hard one Thursday. On the Thursday we are solving our hard one, so get ready for it. Okay, so now I meet you in the next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.